Hi, I'm Jackie from Multnomah County Library School Corps with Novelties 2021. In this video, I'm going to talk about Healing and Hope, books about overcoming challenges. If you'd like to find the books and websites I mention in the video, the links are included in the description below. The Sea in Winter by Christine Day, grades 4 through 7. Maisie has dreamed of dancing professionally since the age of 4 when she started ballet lessons. But now her dreams are on hold since she's had to have surgery for a torn ligament in her knee. Her body is slowly recovering, but her mental health is struggling. Her grades have dropped, she's angry with her family, and she doesn't want to return her friends' texts. Maisie's family is Native American, and when they take a trip to her mother's Makah homeland, Maisie learns more about her family history, as well as about resilience and reinventing yourself. So some things you could talk about with this book. Change and letting go. Maisie has to accept some difficult changes in her life and possibly let go of things she loves. How does she cope? Have you ever dealt with a similar situation, and what did you do? Sanctuary. At the beginning of the book, how does Maisie define the word sanctuary? How do you think she would define it at the end? What does the word sanctuary mean to you? Communication. Maisie feels guilty that sometimes she doesn't text her friends back. Why is this? Has this ever happened to you? And I've linked to some websites in the description field below. There's an educator guide to all of Christine Day's books, more information about the Makah Nation that Maisie's family visits. There's also a website about Noelani Pantastico, Maisie's favorite dancer from the book, and some information about the Elwha River Restoration. That's the dam removal project that Maisie's stepfather, Jack, mentions in the story. Birdie and Me by J.M.M. Nuanez, grades 4 through 7. After their mom's death, Jack and her little brother Birdie moved to California to live with their Uncle Carl. Some things about Uncle Carl are great. He lets them eat lots of junk food from the convenience store, and he doesn't mind that Birdie likes to dress in purple and sparkly clothes. But Carl's apartment is small. They have to sleep on the couch, and he keeps forgetting to send them to school. So then they have to move in with Uncle Patrick. Patrick bakes delicious bread, and he buys their favorite kind of pizza. But he also makes Birdie wear plain colored clothes. Uncle Patrick doesn't talk much, not even about their family. Throughout it all, Jack keeps track of what's going on in her life by writing observations in her notebook. Can she find a way to have both her uncles in her life? Fighting Words by Kimberly Brubaker Bradley, grades 5 and up. For her whole life, Della has always been able to turn to her big sister Suki for support. When their mom went to prison, Suki was there. When their mom's boyfriend did something so horrible that they had to run away, Suki was there. When they were sent to a foster home, Suki was there. But after they've been with their new foster mom, Francine, for a while, Suki starts to change. She gets angry and has nightmares. Della realizes that while Suki was taking care of her, for all those years, no one was taking care of Suki. For all that time, Suki has been keeping a secret that's now tearing her apart. How can Della be there to support her sister? Isaiah Dunn is My Hero by Kelly J. Baptist, grades 3 through 5. When his dad was alive, Isaiah liked to hang out with his best friend Sneaky, play video games, and write poetry. But after his father's death, everything changes. His mom is so sad she can't go to work anymore. Then they can't pay for their apartment, and they have to move into a motel room that smells like smoke. There's not much time to hang out with Sneaky anymore, and when Isaiah tries to write poetry, the words just won't come. Instead, he reads the notebooks where his dad wrote stories about a boy with superpowers. The boy has the same name as him, Isaiah Dunn. Isaiah really wishes he had superpowers. Maybe he could use them to earn some money so his family could move back into an apartment or to buy some food other than beans and rice. Can he find something in those notebooks to help his family? In the description field below this video, you'll find a link to the full list of all the titles featured in this year's Novelties videos. You'll also see links where you can watch our other School Corps presentations and a link to book discussion tips from Multnomah County Library. We'd also really appreciate it if you would fill out our evaluation to let us know what you think of these videos. Finally, you can find out more about School Corps by following the link below. Thanks for watching.